What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Young Batman. You already know what it is. We back with another video. (2022). I told you was gonna have other content outside of waving. This time we're gonna talk a little about skincare. I didn't get a chance to tell you guys I do have a skin consultant that I want to introduce y'all to, because I'm gonna be talking products so that you guys can know the source of the products that I'll be using. Before we start this video, make sure y'all please hit that like button so that we can get the algorithm going, keep pushing these videos, as well as hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate the back gang, y'all. So let's get into it. Now, without further ado, I want to introduce y'all to Nisi.
Hello, everybody. So as Young Batman, my homeboy, said, my name is Nisi. I am a skincare consultant with Mary Kay. As Young Batman, my homeboy, said, we have great products for you, for men and women, including skincare, fragrances. And for you ladies out there, we got top quality glamour look, okay? So if you're going on a job interview, if you're going on a date with a special someone, or if you just want an everyday look, whatever your need is, we got you. So hit us up, let us know if you're interested. We'll be happy to help. Peace.
Appreciate it, Nisi. Heard what she said. Guys, the link is down below. You can start looking to see whatever you want. Comment down, DM me, hit us up if you got questions. We're gonna be dropping videos upon different products that she offers. And guys, appreciate y'all making it to the end of the video. And we got y'all. Hit the link, look at the product, you know what I mean? Hit the order. You got questions, hit me up. I'll make videos on whatever y'all got questions on. You see the sun, it's sunny. You see how the sun is hitting the skin. You already know. We ain't playing no games. I'm telling you, the proof is in the pudding. But yo, guys, appreciate y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the link and cop your stuff. Peace.